back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Operation Christmas Drop has been nicely obtained with the aid of using fanatics, as had long gone to the garner completely fine critics, leaving many fanatics thinking it can be beginning of a romantic holiday-themed franchise. The heartwarming family-pleasant romance has a splendid premise and lovable characters, making Operation Christmas Drop 2 something humans would like to be proficient in subsequent times. Santa is because of carrying offers to Netflix subscribers all around the world. Operation Christmas Drop 2 launch date. It's a common exercise for Netflix to take an opening of approximately 12 months or so, increase and well launch any other installment is certainly considered one among their valuable franchises. Given the contemporary weather of productions being laid low with COVID-19 standards, the community generally utilizes it's secure to anticipate that a 2021 launch won't be manageable for Operation Christmas Drop 2. It could appear more likely for the following run to be launched in 2022 in time for the holidays. But all of that is simply hypothesis at this time, and the legitimate launch date of Operation Drop 2 is unknown at this time. Netflix should present subscribers a renewal in time for Christmas 2020. That is possible, so we will wait and see. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The Forged has now no longer but been introduced for Operation Christmas Drop 2, and it's going to be someday earlier than the roster for the sequel touches down. While it is not regarded as positive who can be put inside the lineup, it's secure to anticipate that a number of the Greater Wasp personas from the authentic can be again in the movement for the following outing. The Vampire Diaries actress Kat Graham and Viking star Alexander Ludwig had been the fan favorites of the primary movie, and subscribers fell in love with them as a whole lot as they fell in love with every different. While the primary film units the tone, Operation Christmas Drop 2 will with any luck dive deeper into the two leads' lives even greater and truly flesh out what takes place subsequent for the vacationing couple. Nobody could say no to Virginia Madsen returning for Operation Christmas Drop 2, as her presence with inside the first turned into a whole lot welcomed addition and introduced vast prize to the general feature. Of course, there are numerous different Forged individuals that many could need to peer if any other installment involves life. Any new bankruptcy continually appears to give a pleasing blend of recent and acquainted faces, and to maximum probably be the case for Operation Christmas Drop 2. As of proper now, there was no plot info launched for Operation Christmas Drop 2, and if a synopsis is ever to return out, it would maximum probably occur a whole lot near the date the following movie is ready to premiere. A sequel will maximum probably discover the fine results that the venture may have on the sector and the way love is treating everyone's favored venture-oriented couple. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.